All right, another compare and contrast assignment. Just briefly, since I know you're very familiar with these. Really think about how the Berserker and how Hamaguchi helped other people and how helping others also helped themselves. So you can find things that are similar in how they helped themselves and other people. You can think about the differences in that. Consider that they are both folk tales. That's something they have in common. Let me know if you need help. Make sure you open up the text. It was a while ago that we read Berserker and the Baby, so you might have forgotten some of that. So go ahead, open up the text if that helps. And also make sure you ask. I'm more than happy to help. You could talk about the themes. Okay, do they have similar themes? Do they have different themes? The setting of each one. Lots of options for things that are similar and things that are different. Good luck.